$95,000 in gross revenue is what a single person can earn in the very first year. To reach this goal, you must use a hidden bidding hack that secures high-paying commercial accounts. I recently interviewed an owner who scaled his office cleaning setup from 0 to 5 crews in Ohio. He started with just $900 for licensing and basic insurance, which took only 2 weeks. His initial investment was fully recovered within the first 45 days after securing 2 clients. If you want to make your business highly profitable, then you must exactly follow this execution plan. Target small medical or law offices between 2,000 and 5,000 square feet for maximum return. Charge a rate of $35 per hour or use a flat fee of $40 per 1,000 feet. When I looked closely at his actual booking numbers, it really made me stop and think about the margins. Let us walk through a real scenario where you clean a 3,000 square foot facility twice a week. This single contract generates exactly $960 of consistent monthly revenue. Since your direct labor takes 4 hours per week, your true hourly earnings become $60. The secret to winning these contracts is bidding based on fixture counts rather than total floor area. Count every toilet and desk, then multiply by $2 to accurately beat your local competition. Okay, so now let us look at the exact material list required to execute a professional service. You need a commercial backpack vacuum, microfiber cloths, a dual bucket mop system, and disinfectants. To simplify your setup, all these required products are tagged in the video in one complete list. You can easily view these specific items and have the products added to your cart right now to start. Operating with just 5 of these small office accounts will bring in $48,000. The profit margin stays at a massive 80% when you perform the initial cleaning work yourself. Then you can hire your first part-time employee at $20 per hour to scale up the operation. Your immediate next step is to register a limited liability company and secure a basic liability policy. Next, you should print 20 professional flyers and visit local business parks during afternoon hours. Offer a free initial deep clean to your first 3 prospects to secure a long-term annual contract. This proven systematic approach will build a stable and highly profitable cleaning business this month.